MLD ट्रस्टमध्ये काम करताना सर्वात महत्त्वाचं मला जी शिकवण भेटली माझ्या गुरूंकडून ती सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची होते की कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये पेशंटची केअर हॅम्पर झाली नाही ही पहिली शिकवण मला भेटली.
We have now completed Silver Jubilee of Palghar Hospital, but we have genuinely lived up to the term non-profit organization. This hospital has not earned any profit in last 25 years, despite having 20 lakh patient visits.
This single principle shaped the Trust's foundation to care for every person regardless of their ability to pay.
You know, when we mentioned that homeopathy comes very close to Indian ethos. So all of us as homeopaths have always looked up at the Guru Parampara. The more we are able to identify with the Guru, the better are we able to atmasat karna. You know, you are able to imbibe the discipline.
If you want to propagate the evidence-based homeopathy, you need to train them in a standardized processes. And the training has to be more practical oriented. So whatever he got an experience, he conceptualized it and structured it.
At the Trust, generations of doctors have been trained not just to treat, but to understand, to question, and to evolve. Over 30 doctors complete their post-graduation at the Institute annually.
None of us give so much importance to money that we will work for money. We work for what we love, and therefore it has an impact. But money matters. So then the trust has to have money, because if you have a large setup, you cannot expect everybody to work with less money. You may not pay excessively, but you have to pay a certain reasonable amount compared to what they get in their field.
Sir has said that आप आपका काम करो, लोग आपको जुड़ते जाएंगे. And I'm experiencing this, and I want that this is to be carried forward.
At the heart of this work is research. Over 600 postgraduate dissertations, along with extensive clinical and community-based research, have strengthened care, redefined treatment, and informed public health practice.
Though the science was originated in Germany, we are the champion. Students from Malaysia, students from Australia, students from USA are coming here to learn how to take this science into their community. And today I'm very proud that we have perfected at the level of research, at the level of education, and at the level of various publication, that Government of India has invited us at various platforms to share our knowledges so that this work can be taken to the national level. This is not possible without public support because it's a very massive work.
There are so many initiatives we are actually involved in. The core issue is now how do you raise a sustainable organization? You know, when we had the whole Jawani Ka Josh, we created. Now we want to ensure that this continues.
I started getting more and more involved in the hospital management and in the non-health projects. The doctors were the ones who were going and approaching prospective donors and raising the money, because this establishment needs money to run. We have virtually zero ability to raise any revenues. Fundraising was in itself a pretty big activity. So I decided that we need to do this in a more systematic manner. And one of the things that we as a trust have always done, and we're very proud about that, is we would never do anything because the donor wants us to do it if it is not within our periphery or our area of services that we are doing.
We realized that now an organization of this size, for which so many doctors are working and so many staff members are working, where the lives of hundreds of families are now dependent on this organization, needs to be financially in a better shape than what we have functioned in the last 25 years.
Sometimes we face a hurdle of our resources, but fortunately our experience is that whenever we face a challenge, somebody sees this organization is doing a good work and people come for our rescue. That has been our history for last 50 years and I am sure this will be in the future. At the same time, we don't want to live in uncertainty.
We have learned that our own growth is through serving others. And I think if that is something that can go on through successive generations, I think our world will be a happier place to live in.